Hi guys, so these are the rims and they finally arrived. I'm not sure if you can actually see because the reflection of the sun is quite bad, but those are the rears. So these are the 9Js, and then these are the fronts, the 8Js. You can see there's a big difference in the size of the lip. So yeah, I'm very happy. Besides for the fact that it's not in the color I want. Unfortunately, it's the only color shop I had and that he got in. So I'm going to be powder coating the rims. On Monday the rims will be going in for powder coating. As you can see, the inside of the rim is already black. So I'm just gonna have the front section powder coated in black, and then we'll be doing the fitment. So yeah. Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. So as you guys already saw, the rims have arrived and I am super excited. So the rims have been sent in for powder coating. I actually just received them today. The task ahead of me today is I need to spray the drums black so that it suits the black wheels, and then I need to fit in the rubber, a small rubber lining between the body and the arches to give it a nice flush, clean look, straightforward, very easy. So I won't be doing an explanation on it. I'll just put it on time lapse, and then I'll be fitting the wheels and I'll be doing some cinematics of the bucky. So yeah, stay tuned and enjoy. So as you can see, when I fitted my arches, I cut the the whole fender away. I did it myself. It's the first time I ever did something like that before, hence the way it looks. I'm not actually that worried because I plan on always running oversized fenders. At the later stage, I'm just gonna get someone to tack weld this up and trim it up, clean it up nicely, and then when I do have the bucky resprayed at the later stage, I'll have it resprayed and have it look nice. So yeah, I'm just gonna clean it up a bit and then fit the rubber to the arch and then the rubber to the So guys, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you like it as much as I do. I've been dying to get these wheels for so long. And for those who don't know what it is, it's a Watanabe. And if you don't know the history about it, Google it. Go check the history out. It's amazing. I love this wheel. It's my favorite JDM classic wheel. Personally, for these buckies, my opinion, I don't think you get a better JDM classic wheel. There is a lot of other good classic wheels out there, but this is my favorite. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and I've noticed that about 50% of the viewers aren't subscribed. So please guys, hit that subscribe button. It won't cost you anything. And yeah, hope you have a great day. Peace.